Hi. Next we are going to see about the library function. So here we all know that what is user defined function. Next is a library defined function. So library function. So here C program provides many library function which is already predefined task. The functions are also called as a built-in functions. Which are present in the C header file. So here we can call that function directly or indirectly. So for example, we all know that what is the use of printf, scanf, getch, clr. So what is the use of printf here? So yes, we want to print some statement to the screen. So here that is the purpose of printf. Scanf is for getting the input from the users. We are using the functions called scanf. So these two functions are already defined. So here we can't able to change anything which are present in the inside of the function. So these two functions are present inside the header file called STD, standard input output header file. So these two functions are already present in the standard input output function header file. So here one small statement which includes a small function which includes the printf and scanf. So first we have to define the header file, that is hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, and inside that, after that, void main. So this is inside of this void main only we are going to write the code. So here inside of that block only we have to execute the program. So next is a printf. Here I am writing the statement called welcome. Printf inside double quotes welcome I am writing. Next again I am printing another one statement called printf welcome to the SMS family. Next I am getting one value from the users. For that we have to declare some value, right? We have to declare some variable like int a or b. We can define any variable here which is a type of anything. Here I am declaring the variable called a, which is a type of integer I am declaring. So here I want to get the value of a from the users. For that, printf enter the value of a. So here the a value will be getting from the users. So for that we want to use the scanf statement. Scanf bracket, this is the integer value. For that we have to give %d. Yes, exactly, %d, comma, variable name will be the e. So here a is a variable which holds the value of what is the user we are giving. That value will be present in the a variable. Yes, exactly. So after that we are finishing that program. So for that getch will be presented. Next is a closing bracket. So executing this program we get the result called welcome. Next line will be the SMS family and enter the a value. A value will be what is the user defined. For example 10. Enter the a value, it will be the 10. Okay, so these three statements will be present to the users. So next, what is the difference between user defined function and the library function which is in the C program? So we all know that user defined function is called according to the requirement of the particular program which is called as a. So next is the library function. Library function is defined as the already defined function which are present in the C library. Next comparisons will be the writing of the code completions. So here in the user defined function we can write the complete code before executing the program. Here it is not required because all the codes will be present inside of the function. So here the name of the user defined function can easily change, but in the library function we can't able to change the user defined function like that. That is the printf will be the fixed for all, the scanf will be fixed for all, getch will be fixed. We can't able to change any letter from that function. So library functions are part of the header file, but the user defined function is not a part of the header file, which is the part of the given program only. So here the developer in the C compiler prefers the predefines the library function. Here it only concentration on the writing of the code completion. So for example, user defined function example will be the sum, multiply, division, and simple interest calculation. These are the function comes under the user defined function. The library functions are printf, scanf, getch, clr. These are the functions are your library function. So this is the basic difference between the library function and the user defined function. Apart from this, there are many functions which are available, that is the swap function. So swap function comes under the math, but it is not present in the built-in function. So here we are creating the swap function, that is the user defined function, which is not in the library function. So swap is the example for user defined function, not a library function. Okay, so this video describes only the library function and what is the difference between the library function and the user defined function. Thank you.